Hello, today I talk about how to use OPC DA in the SCADA installation. In my previous video, we often use OPC DA to communication with installation. For example, Kepware, RSLinx, OPC, but in the new version of integration, the company encouraged everybody to use OPC UA. So the company moved OPC DA to the OPC UA. Look like here is configuration. Go to the OPC connection. So create a new OPC connection. Then we can go to OPC DA connection. Most time we just go here, next. Here is local and remote. Most time we use local. Next. But here, just all the service. Before we have a lot of OPC service and install. It can find in here, but now it's disappeared. So he encourage you to use here OPC UA. Go here, choose OPC UA, then go to endpoint URL. He have a special Kepware is endpoint address. So you can copy this one. Next, which is network. Okay, we can go here. This here is OPC TCP localhost. Next. So next. Next. Oh, here we trust the certificate. Next. Okay, finish. Okay, delay password, we don't use password. Here, he find is a Kepware EX and install already. So create new OPC connection. Here is Kepware, but it's fault. You have configuration is sometimes difficult. So you have to go to security. Go to here is already. Then go to the Kepware. Go to here. Kepware OPC UA configuration. So go to trust. We can trust me here, okay? But I try many times, it's not working. So I just show you how to go back to the old classic the OPC DA is working. Okay, we delete this one. Okay. So if you want to use a classic OPC DA, you should install special software is called core components. Go to your OPC Foundation website. But if you want to do this one, you have to register, okay? I registered already. Then go to resource. Go to sample and tools. Go to classic. Then here you can find the core components. Okay, click here. Here you can install in this one. Okay, OPC core components redistribute. Okay, install. You can download. Agree. Okay, I download already, so I can install in here. In here, including is 64 bits is system and 86 32 bits system. I install 60 bits, 64 bits. Okay, agree. Next. Okay, next for everybody. Next. Continue. Okay, close. Yes, to start. Restart the system. Okay. Now is installed. Now we start installation. Okay. We go to configure. Now we can find the OPC DA. Okay, login. Then go to OPC connection. Go to create a new OPC connection. Go to OPC DA. Next. Go to local. Next. So look, here you can find these Kepware servers EX 6.18. I just install in here. Okay, in here. So we can choose here. Next, we can do everything similar map before I do this job. Okay, today I just show you how to get back is OPC DA in the installation. Okay, thank you very much.